Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have quite a big haul for you guys today. Let's move this over because I'm going to throw stuff in it as I go. Hopefully my dog lets me do this and I can get this done. This is a cross between the Cam Snaps people, my Punkbroidery, and So Sweetness. And and Sallie Tomato. So yeah, let's go ahead and we'll start with the Cam Snap. So I went ahead and got this. I picked this out. It's for doing rivets and everything else. I have a Cam Snap tool already. If you don't know what that is, it does buttons and or snaps and stuff. So yeah, there's that. We'll set it right here. Let me move some of this stuff. Okay, let's try this again. So I got this sample of snaps that they offer, and it has the colors on there because they don't do like blue, yellow, cream. They actually go by numbers. So I got that, which is good. Then I got these sample little hearts right here. Let me zoom in. There we go, that might be better. But I got these sample hearts. Sorry for the lighting. Some white snaps, and she stapled the dies with it so that way I can use this tool with it and know which one to use. So I just kind of kept them together, and or I'm just going to keep them together. And this is the snap size 20 die pieces, and there's 50 in here, and it's in the color whites. Then there's the grommet piece, grommet setter, and in gunmetal with 50 pieces for that. This is all the rainbow colored or iridescent, whatever you call it, with the size 6 millimeters. There's an 8 millimeter, a 10, and then a 12. For that. And then the die pieces over here somewhere, right here. And then these are the other pieces for this is for crystal rivets, which I don't have any of, but I do want to get some. This is for the 8 millimeter rivets, and then the 10, and then of course the 12. And I do screw it on and stuff, and I will be doing a video more in depth on those. This is the open ring snaps for the metal snaps, so when I do bibs and stuff, I may want to use these instead of the actual plastic. This is the all piercing and the plastic snaps removal. So if I need to remove something without damaging my garment, this is what I will use. This is what I could use to puncture holes, but there's also a handheld one in here. So you just screw these on, pop it in, pierce it, and then go from there. I got these rose gold rivets. I'm all about the rose gold. So I had to pick these out. And then there's 50 pieces of the 6mm, which is the real tiny ones. Then there's the 20 pieces of the 8, 20 pieces, or 20 sets, sorry, of the 10, and then 20 sets of the 12. So yeah, got that. Okay, so the next thing that I have here are these zippers. They're nylon zippers with poles from Sallie Tomatoes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different ones. Each ones are the 3 yards of the 5-inch, I believe the number 5 nylon zippers with 9 poles. Yeah, I think, yeah, it says 9 poles for each one. I got these to go with the handbags that I'm working on, or will be working on. So I got different ones. So we'll go ahead and I'll show you what I'm not going to open them, but I will show you what they look like. This one is black tape with the nickel. Then there's the white tape with the gold. There's black tape with rose gold. It'll focus. Then there's navy tape with nickel. Then there's white tape with rose gold. Black tape with gunmetal. Navy tape with rose gold. And then there's white tape with gunmetal. So yeah, I got these to go with my bags, to do for my bags, to try it out. I've never used this supplier before and stuff. So this is what I got. We'll see how I like it. And I will definitely do a review on them. And I will do a video later, you know, when the time comes, and let you guys know how they work out for me. So I picked out some stuff from So Sweetness. I got this colorful zipper, but I didn't realize it didn't come with zipper poles, but I do have enough over here from the other brand that these would work on, because it's the same number 5 tape. So there's that. And then I got a white one with rainbow. I didn't realize you have to buy the zipper pulls separately. Oops. Because your girl can't read. So there's that. I got this seam gauge. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. I'll just stand up. I did receive this seam gauge because even though I can sew, I suck at measuring very much, and I usually just use the guide on my presser foot instead of things, but this is supposed to help me apparently, so I picked that out. And it's made out of acrylic, so that way I can mark properly. And I will do a video to show how this works. It's coming up. Then I got some acrylic bag tags that go on the side, so that way I don't have to keep using paper and wondering why it's crunched up and where'd it go, and then reprinting. So I got these. This is an acrylic pattern because I make this a lot. It's for the Baker Street bag. It's one of her older patterns, but I got that. These, obviously, I can't read. These are for, let's see, they're for a lunch bag pattern. And I didn't understand, I didn't read it, and you have to have the other part of the pattern to go with it. And I didn't realize that. And then I got, which should be better off left down here because it's pretty big. It goes from there to there. It's an acrylic pattern for the sling backpack. Because like I said, taping up pieces, this way I don't have to print and tape up every individual piece. So there's that. This is side. And then last but not least, I got these cork pieces. I have no idea what I'm going to do with them. For some reason, like I said, your girl can't read. So I thought these were going to be bigger. But they're small, so I have to figure out what kind of little project I can do with these. Maybe a little bag or something. But yeah, there's this like gator print. There's this red cork. This real pretty mint green. Like an orange. This floral. This looks like wood. Like on a tree bark. Then there's this real pretty purple one. Then there's this basic cork looking. My favorite, the rose gold one. I want to get more of this one, but she was out of stock for the larger pieces. And then there's this mosaic piece. And these are all from So Sweetness' website. Last but not least, we have vinyl stuff. A lot of it. Because I got stuff to do. Oh yeah. And all this stuff. Ta-da! So we will get started with the rolls. This one is green, shamrock green. Let's unravel just one end of each one. And then that's what it looks like. This one is just plain yellow. This one, cotton candy pink glitter. Ooh. This one's navy. Green. Red. Just a bubble gum, like a baby pink. Hot pink. Royal blue. Really peach. Crimson. This is rainbow glitter. I don't like the texture of it. Something rose, it's copper, but it says it's beautiful. Last but not least from these rolls is this one is the black rainbow feathers. Oh, that is gorgeous. Isn't it beautiful? That's it for my haul today. I will put the links to the stores in the description down below if you want to check them out. Feel free to ask me questions if you have any. I do plan on doing some videos with some of this stuff, with projects that I have in the works. I'm trying to get better with doing YouTube videos for you guys because I was getting messages asking, you know, if I was ever gonna do any videos because they had questions about some of my machines and all that other stuff. And I'm like, yeah, okay, I can do that. So yeah, I will just talk to you guys later.